amigos. I'm Senora Davis, and I am your Spanish 1 online teacher this year. So I'm going to give you a little bit of information on how to access our class and how it is organized. So the first thing you're going to do, like I sent you in the email, is you're going to go to davisonschools.schoology.com. Schoology.com works, and then you can type in your school email and password. But if you go to davisonschools.schoology.com, when you enter that, it'll take you right to this login with Google page, and then it's just a click. You don't have to type anything in. Now, I've already added you to my class, and you probably have some other classes through Schoology as well. So my default is this course dashboard. Yours might be recent activity, but you can go between those two and look at your courses. And you are in my Spanish 1 virtual class. So you can access this here. You can also access it through courses, and you'll see Spanish Online Spanish 1, DOL, Davison Online, and that's what you're going to select. So for my class, switch to student view here, you're going to see this when you get logged in. So right now we only have 2 things posted in here, 2 folders, I should say. And as we progress throughout the year, you're going to see more and more folders show up underneath. So it's put in order for you to work on. The first thing you're going to do is this online course orientation. It's just a little bit of information. My syllabus is here. My expectations and academic integrity for the school. You'll do those real quickly. There are just a couple of questions each. And then to get back, you can do a couple of things. You can click on here where it says Online Spanish 1 and it takes you back a level, or you can click Materials and it takes you back to that first page. And then your first unit of real content is going to be under our first one, the preliminary unit, Lección Preliminar. You can also see on the right here your 4 assignments for this week, but I caution you to never just go by this because I post other things that are not listed as assignments. So there's some links, there's some practices, there's some Quizlets, other things there. So never just go by what's on the right here, though this is what gets a grade in the grade book that you'll see on the left. So if you click on Lección Preliminar, right now we have 1 folder in here, and it's countries and capitals. So this week, we're working on the Spanish countries and capitals. You will see all the assignments for that topic are going to appear at one time. And so you'll have the week to work on those. So for countries and capitals in here, I have some notes for you. So you're going to print these notes off. If you don't have a printer, that's okay. You can handwrite the notes. You can use Kami. If you've never used that, you'll click this, and then you should have a Kami button on your Chromebooks, and you can type in the answers if that works for you, though I really do strongly recommend that you get a printed copy. And then you're going to watch the Edpuzzle video to help you fill those out. And then these are the rest of your assignments that end with the quiz over countries and capitals. So you'll notice everything has a due date of this Thursday since we don't have school Friday. So you can do them at your pace for the week, but everything must be done by that Thursday or the last day that we have for the week. And again, to go backwards, you can click whichever thing you need to go back to. If you need to go back to the unit folder, if you want to go back to the main page. So every day that you come in here, you're going to go to the folder that you're in. This is our unit folder, and then you'll click on the lesson that we're working on. This one will be countries and capitals. So those will progressively grow as we continue. Over to the left here, you'll see grades. So right now you don't have anything, of course, but as we go through, you can check your grades for each section. So you can see, do I have all my country and capital things in there? Do I have all of my greeting, vocabulary assignments done, etc.? And that will come into play if you ever need to retake anything. Or if you missed a quiz, you'll have to make sure that those assignments are completed first before I can open that quiz for you to make up. So that's kind of a rundown of Schoology. And then if you have other courses, you'll click courses and you'll change however you need to. I will be contacting you all through email once a week to get you to reply. We have to have two-way communications, meaning I communicate and you respond. So one will be through email, which we did last week, and you'll see from me again. And then one is going to be through Google Forms just to see how you're doing on a topic. They just can't be done on the same day. So if you respond to my email, let's say on a Wednesday, please don't fill out that Google form on Wednesday. Fill that out on a different day so that we have 2 separate days of communication. And we'll hear more about that as we go along. So if you have any questions about how to run Schoology, please just let me know. And good luck. Have a great week. Adios.